Life is full of decisions, but not all choices are created equal. Some leave a mark so deep that they linger in the quiet moments of reflection, especially as the years go by. Regret doesn't announce itself immediately. It sneaks up when it's too late to change the past. However, recognizing common mistakes and acting on them today can save you from carrying that heavy burden. Tomorrow, let's explore 5 mistakes people commonly regret in their old age and how you can take action to avoid them while there's still time. Aging is inevitable, but regret doesn't have to be. As time passes, it becomes clear which decisions were wise and which were short-sighted. By learning from the experiences of those who've walked the path before us, we can avoid repeating their mistakes. Here are 5 common regrets people face in their later years and how to prevent them. 1. Neglecting your health. In your youth, many people don't realize how fragile their health is until it begins to fail. Poor eating habits, lack of exercise, and unhealthy choices may not show immediate consequences, but they build up over time. Chronic illnesses like diabetes, heart disease, and joint pain often stem from years of neglect. In old age, the regret of not prioritizing health becomes overwhelming. People often wish they had taken better care of their bodies when they had the chance. Start now by making small, consistent changes. Eat a balanced diet, stay active, and get regular checkups. Your future self will thank you for the energy and mobility you preserve. 2. Choosing work. Over relationships, it's easy to get caught up in the pursuit of career success, promotions, deadlines, and professional recognition. Often seem more pressing than spending time with loved ones. However, many people in their later years regret prioritizing work over relationships. The truth is, no amount of money or accolades can replace the warmth of family and friends. Missed birthdays, cancelled vacations, and neglected friendships create a void that's hard to fill. Make time for the people who matter. Attend family gatherings, reconnect with old friends, and show appreciation to those who love you. These moments create memories that will bring joy in your later years. 3. Failing to plan financially. Financial stress. In old age is a regret no one wants to face. Many people wish they had started saving earlier, avoided debt, or invested wisely. Without a financial cushion, retirement can become a source of anxiety rather than relaxation. To avoid this regret, start planning for the future today. Save consistently, live within your means, and educate yourself about investments. A secure financial foundation provides freedom and peace of mind in your golden years. It's never too late to make changes. Every small step toward financial security makes a difference. 4. Holding on to resentment, anger, and grudges. Often feel justified in the moment, but they can weigh heavily over time. In old age, many people regret the relationships they let deteriorate because of unresolved conflicts. The pain of lost connections often outweighs the satisfaction of holding on to pride. Forgiveness is a powerful tool, not for the other person, but for your own well-being. Letting go of resentment doesn't mean condoning hurtful behavior. It means freeing yourself from the emotional baggage that comes with it. Life is too short to carry unnecessary weight. Reach out, mend fences where possible, and find closure. 5. Not following dreams or passions. Fear of failure, judgment, or uncertainty holds many people back from pursuing their dreams. As years pass, these unfulfilled aspirations turn into some of the most painful regrets. Whether it's traveling to a dream destination, starting a business, or learning a new skill, many people look back, wishing they had been braver. The truth is, there's no perfect time to chase your passions. Start small, take calculated risks, and embrace the journey. Even if you don't achieve everything you set out to do, the act of trying brings fulfillment. Regret is a powerful emotion, but it's also avoidable. These 5 mistakes, neglecting health, prioritizing work over relationships, failing to plan financially, holding on to resentment, and not pursuing dreams, are common, but they don't have to be part of your story. Take a moment to reflect on where you are today and what changes you can make to ensure a more fulfilling future. Remember, the choices you make now will shape the memories you carry later. Start making decisions your future self will thank you for, because time is precious and there's no better moment than now to take control of your life.